Well, good afternoon. Welcome to Deep Thoughts While Driving. Me, myself, and I here, as per the norm. It's a rainy kind of day today. It's kind of gross. Pulling up my parking spot here. Pulled in a little closer to my neighbor than I thought he did. Or maybe he pulled in a little closer to me. Hard to say. Anyhow, I would love to say it's a big, bright, beautiful, lovely day out, but it sucks. It is gray and rainy, and yeah. The only real bonus is so hard in the eyeballs. Pocket. Too many years of migraines, and I get light sensitive. And people go, "Why are you wearing the clip?" Because the light bothers my eyes, makes it difficult to focus and drive. Anyhow, that's better. Yeah. So it is Sunday, which means it is my Friday. Yay! But I remembered that I got to work on Tuesday morning. So, yeah. It's a case of normally I'd be all chipper and happy regardless of what the weather looks like because it's my Sunday, or it's Sunday, which means it's my Friday, and I'd have the next 3 days off. But I ended up with a sick day the last pay period, and 3 days sick. I didn't quite have enough sick hours to cover it, or sick pay, whatever. So that check was a little short. But then I thought I was doing okay, and then I realized I missed a payment on something. So my wife had to cover it. Well, help me cover it, because I put money aside for savings, and I had to pull it out for savings, and blah 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 blah. I screwed up. So anyhow, I agreed to take the extra shift because it's extra money. So hopefully, no. Tuesdays. I'm just trying to think if this extra day is going to be on this pay period. I don't think it is. It could be on the next one. Well, dang it all. Grr. That ruined that train of thought completely. So the pay period that extra day is going to be on is gonna be for the middle of the month paycheck. Oh well, whatever. I'm still working an extra shift, making a little bit extra money. And I'm still working with everything going on because my job is considered an essential service, and if I don't go to work, my clients, without staff, the clients we take care of are die, plain and simple. So, yeah. And we don't want that because we like our clients. They're nice, good people. So, yeah, stay in your lane, dude. White truck, and he's not staying in his lane. He's gonna drift, and he's gonna get sideswiped there. Ow, it's ear. Yeah. So, yeah, I work today. I get Monday off. Well, I get off at midnight. Work 4 to midnight. So off at midnight, Monday off, Tuesday morning 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And then I am off until Thursday at 4 p.m. Do the 4 to midnight again. So it's almost the beginning of a weekend, but not, because it's broken up. Whatever. I'm babbling. The wife and kid are in Mackenzie, which is not where I live. For those of you who don't know where Mackenzie is. And so basically I've been a bachelor for the past 24 hours. So if I'm babbling, it's because I've got no one to talk to. Yeah. But yeah, no, it's... Okay, my truck says -1. The weather up on my phone said it was like... Actually, I didn't look. I'm not sure what it said. But it's raining, and it's gray. And it's kinda meh. It's a rainy looking sky. Meh kind of day. I don't know if it wants to rain or snow. Boo! No snow. Anyhow, enough babbling. That's it. That is all. Have a good one. Take her easy. Catch you later. Stay safe and stay healthy. Later.